Hey everyone, let's talk kidneys. Those two bean-shaped powerhouses working hard behind the scenes. They might not get the spotlight often, but trust me, when they start acting up, you'll know it. So, how do you catch kidney trouble before it becomes a full-blown issue? Stick around as I spill the beans on the first 3 signs of kidney failure you shouldn't ignore. According to the National Kidney Foundation, 1 in 3 American adults is at risk for kidney disease, with millions currently living with the condition, often undiagnosed. Globally, kidney disease is an escalating concern, affecting over 850 million people, more than 10% of the world's population. Early detection is crucial, as kidney failure can progress silently without noticeable symptoms. Recognizing these early warning signs could make all the difference in catching the problem before it becomes severe. We all know kidneys are essential, right? They're like the body's natural filter, cleaning out all the stuff we don't need. But what happens when they start to struggle? Just like your car might give you a warning light, your body sends out signals when your kidneys aren't up to par. Today, we're going to dive into the early warning signs, because when it comes to kidney health, catching things early can make a world of difference. First up on the list is fatigue. Now, I'm not talking about that I need another cup of coffee tired. I'm talking about full-blown, bone-deep exhaustion. You see, your kidneys are responsible for filtering waste out of your blood. When they're not working right, toxins start building up in your system. And let me tell you, when your body's dealing with that kind of toxic overload, you're going to feel wiped out. So if you're feeling more tired than usual, like, I could sleep for a week, tired, it might be time to check in on those kidneys. Next on the list is swelling, especially in your legs, ankles and feet. When your kidneys aren't filtering out waste and fluids like they should, all that extra fluid has to go somewhere, and it's usually south. This swelling, known as edema, can make your legs feel heavy and uncomfortable. You might even notice it in your hands or face. If you're puffing up like a balloon, and it's not because of too much salt in your diet, your kidneys could be trying to tell you something important. And now, let's talk about something we all do but don't often discuss: going to the bathroom. Changes in urination are one of the clearest signs that something might be off with your kidneys. You might notice you're going more often, or maybe less. The color could change, darker, like tea or cola, or it might be foamy or bubbly. You could even find it hard to go at all, which can be super uncomfortable. If your usual bathroom routine is turning into a guessing game, it's time to pay attention to those kidneys. So, why are these signs such a big deal? Well, your kidneys play a crucial role in keeping your body balanced. They filter waste, manage your electrolytes, and help control your blood pressure. When they start to fail, your entire system can get thrown out of whack. That's why catching these early signs is so important. It gives you a chance to take action before things get serious. Now, just like with any health issue, these symptoms don't always mean kidney failure. Fatigue, swelling, and changes in urination can be caused by other things too. But if you're noticing these signs together, or if they're getting worse, it's definitely worth getting checked out by a doctor. Better safe than sorry, right? So, what's the takeaway here? Keep an eye on your body and don't ignore those little warning signs. Your kidneys work hard to keep you healthy, and they deserve a little attention too. If you're feeling extra tired, notice swelling, or see changes in your bathroom habits, don't just brush it off. A quick checkup could make all the difference. Did you find this information helpful? If so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more tips on staying healthy. And hey, if you've noticed any of these signs, drop a comment below. Let's talk about it. Taking care of your kidneys is key to a healthy life, so let's keep the conversation going.